Every foundation system starts with the same objective: transfer structural loads safely into the ground. The difference is how that objective is achieved in the field. This is continuous flight auger drilling, or CFA, a foundation method designed around production efficiency and continuous installation. The process begins by advancing a hollow stem auger to design depth. As drilling progresses, soil is brought to the surface along the auger flights. Once depth is reached, concrete is pumped through the center of the auger during extraction. The excavation is filled as the auger is withdrawn. Because the hole is never left open, drilling and concrete placement become a single continuous operation. After installation is complete, reinforcing steel is inserted into the fresh concrete. From a constructability perspective, CFA minimizes the number of discrete installation steps required in the field. Conventional drilled foundations approach the same challenge differently. The process begins by excavating an open shaft to the required depth and diameter, with soil removed and managed at the surface. Depending on site conditions, temporary casing or slurry may be used to maintain stability during construction. Once drilling is complete, reinforcing steel is installed, followed by concrete placement. Unlike CFA, each phase is performed as a separate operation. The process requires more handling steps and generates greater spoil volumes, but it also provides greater flexibility. Conventional drilling can accommodate larger diameters, greater depths, and heavily reinforced foundation elements. For complex structures and high-load applications, that flexibility is often the deciding factor.